Rip 'em, boys. Tails. Alright, good morning, finally. I went on a little bit of an adventure today, and it has been an adventure from the get-go. Yesterday, where Hunter, Drake, and Xander were hunting, they kept watching a bunch of birds go back in a pool, but the only way to get back to it was a kayak. So, me and Jared had our kayaks. We decided we were going to kayak back in here. We woke up late, got here. Jared didn't feel comfortable in his kayak because he's got a reasonably cheap one. And so he turned around and went to a different spot. And it was foggy as all get out this morning. So finding said pool was kind of difficult because Hunter didn't exactly know where it was. I would say that I'm here because I've got like 60 coots around me right now. So, and I kicked ducks out of here, and I've had ducks flying around me while I've been getting set up. But we're about 15 minutes into shooting light, and I'm just now finally ready to go. So, but that's what happens when you wake up late and try and find a spot in the dark. But it is what it is. We're here. We're gonna give it a shot. May end up moving around, we'll see, I don't know, but hopefully we kill something. I had a ringneck just about hit me as I was setting up the decoys, and then I had 3 or 4 teal that I could have shot if I had seen them in time, but oh damn, that thing swam right all the way right up to me. I can hear a teal to my right side somewhere. I think it might. I'm kind of in an island of reeds right here, and I think it's behind me in the island. Behind the island. Get up, duck. Get up, duck. Get up, duck. First bird of the day, a little green wing. That hurt. It was a hard shot. Some kind of diver. I think they might have been cams. They were really big. Maybe redheads. Hard to say. Ah, they're gonna just keep doing that to me today, I bet. Scaring the crap out of me. Shooting's been really bad on this trip. I'm just gonna try and slow down as much as I can. drake.
Oh, tell me it's not so. Oh, seriously? That one kind of breaks me. I'm not gonna lie, that one really hurt. I don't like losing ducks. And I sure as hell don't like losing big fat drake mallards. They did it so well too. It makes the feeling so much worse because that means it was on me. I shot bad again, which has been a problem for me on this trip. Shooting bad. Here was my first bird of the morning. Green wing. I should have two. Actually, I should probably have 3 or 4. Bad shooting continues. Hit that in the back end, so maybe I'm not leading enough. I probably shouldn't have gone to the hen. I probably should have just focused on making sure I get that mallard down, which means I just need to go singles today, which I got that one for sure. Up to teal. They did what I wanted them to do. So that was my shot. Damn it. I had a pretty good look. I'm a little nervous now that I've lost that mallard. Nice pair of gaddies though. Rip 'em, boys. Tails. Nice drake. Got really lucky that this hen wanted to come say hi. I got really lucky I didn't accidentally get both of them. You ain't going nowhere, that's good. Right, try not to mess up my blind too much. Wow. Well, I did shoot a blue wing. I couldn't tell if they were blue wings or not. Okay, let me rephrase that. I'm not shooting another blue wing. Blue wing was my second bird. Oh, sorry. Third bird. Now this pintail did not stand a damn chance. Ooh, I hit him. Yeah. Oh, damn, that sucks. I definitely got him. Might be able to salvage some of the breast. That kind of sucks. He was close, but I only tell he's a drake by his wings. But it's a drake. Ringers. They're cool little birds, but I just don't like to shoot things that don't taste good. So really want to land right in here too. I mean, if they were cans or redheads all day, but greasy ringers. It might be a couple bluebills actually too, but yeah, it's a ringer. Pretty Drake. All right. Well, I got my 5th duck. Unfortunately, the card was full on my GoPro, and it came in. So I need one more duck. It had like a ton of gadwall come in, and they just, I kept having a couple that would get close. Actually, I had a few that came within range. They came from behind me, which makes it really hard when they do that. Couldn't find my safety. And I've already lost one duck today, so I wasn't gonna risk it. Gaddies are flying like mad right now though, so I'm not too excited about it. This looks like a gadwall. I thought it might have been. Yep. Gaddy. I believe I basically called this thing in with my mouth, actually. Little hen, looks like a hen gaddy. Yep. Hen gaddy. Well, sadly, my camera, for this bird, my camera had, the first memory card had expired. There was not enough room left on it anymore. So I missed this bird getting shot on camera, which sucks. And then apparently, we'll see, maybe I had turned my GoPro off for this bird. So I finished my day with a Drake mallard. I'm still really pissed off that I lost the one that I shot first thing this morning. It happens. A bunch of ducks just diving in. I'm gonna get cleaned up, and then I'm gonna paddle back to shore, and then I'll show you the ducks a little better. As you guys will notice, I did not have Dakota today. Sadly, this is just not a setup that would have worked for Dakota. I had no idea what I was coming back into, and I'm glad I didn't bring her back here because it would not have worked very well. The two of us in this kayak all morning, because I haven't even gotten out of the kayak. I mean, I didn't even have to wear waders today if I didn't want to. I have no problem standing as long as I can put Dakota in the kayak and run her out of the kayak. If I can do that, I'm money, but the problem is I don't know that I'm going to be able to do that back in this marsh. It is very, very, very soft. It's a big cattail marsh. And basically what happens in cattail marshes is when the cattails die, they decay, but there's enough roots and stuff that it feels like there's a solid bottom. And then the bottom goes out from under you and you just sink into, like, I don't know. I'm not even sure how far you would sink in this. I hunted this last year and I got out at one point because I unironically lost a widgeon. It had dove on me and I was trying to kick it back up. I think it grabbed something underneath and never came back up. And when I got out of the kayak, it was a good thing I held on to the kayak, because if I hadn't held on to the kayak, I don't know how far down I would have gone. So I did not bother trying to get out of the kayak today, and I was definitely using my paddle to check, and also I mean, so it's so soft that once you break, like, I would break through that solid portion with the mojo stick, and then once it got past that, my mojo stick basically just sank, and I couldn't even put my mojo out.